Is the signal looking like it's better over there? Let me hope so.
I don't know how we know what the signal is, but it looks good on the screen.
It's saying low signal.
It's not saying low signal, so we are absolutely live.
Let us believe that we are back on track. All right, so.
We're talking about being election ready.
Yes.
And
it being 2018 and people giving other people giving other people your voice when you in the 60% decide that you're going to let the 40% of
viewers and some of the subscribers to Jamaican.com that may align to some of the issues that the Governor Rick Scott or President Donald Trump advocate for.
That's what I want to ask you. Why is it that many of us do advocate for Gillum? And I will tell you, for me, I had not heard the other person's name at all, and I believe in speaking things to power. I don't speak the names that I don't want to support. I had not heard the other person's name at all. I'd never met this person. I met Gillum several times. I heard his name several times. I shook his hand several times. He came and he sat and he interviewed with you. He interviewed with.
They would say at Florida State and you went to Florida A&M. I have a full knowledge of his history as a person and as a leader. I trust in him in terms of him having the highest integrity. One of the big things I like about him, he's a family man.
Right.
He cares very dearly about his family. But in terms of issues, this whole issue of Amendment 4 and criminal justice reform is a big.
Of course, the most important thing was that he preferred jerk chicken over oxtail.
Right.
That was the most important question that we asked, right? But aside from that, he grew up around a lot of Caribbean people, whether it was through marriage or through neighbors or whatever it was. And that there's so many of us in this state that he believes that we have to be represented in any kind of administration that he pulls together, and that meant something to me.
Well, black people and people of color in the state of Florida are growing at exponential numbers, irrespective of the language that you speak. So it's hard for any person that's involved in leadership, whether elected or otherwise, to kind of overlook the fact that multicultural.
I think it's relevant to get this question out here. In a case where there are candidates that you identify with for different reasons, right? What is the final determination? How do you decide who it is to vote for? Let's not make it about the governor's race. Let's make it about some other race where there are two individuals, one of which you think may be the better person in governance, but they're not necessarily reflective of your community in the same way. Let's just say, as a Caribbean American, I say Caribbean American running for an office, but I generally believe that the person who is of a different background is the more qualified person.
And I think a lot of people dealt with that the last presidential election between
so many people
Trump and Clinton.
Yeah, there were so many people. Oh, me just never like her. I went home and spoke to people who, even after foolishness started happening, they were like, "Boy, I still just couldn't vote for Hillary. Why?" And they can't give you a good answer. Oh, the email. Like, the email is
That's correct.
Like,
and then now they have to deal with those consequences, right? Either way, just take care of yourself first, and then get 5 friends to prepare them to vote, to complete the sample ballot,
give them a ride,
whatever it takes, and then report back that you have completed the 5 votes.
Who are we reporting to? Should we just give everybody a phone number?
Well, you can post it online. Facebook, go on Facebook, do a video and say, and tag them. You know the challenge when you tag friends, so you do it, and then get 5, and you tag say David.
That's right. I love.
Reach out to us through Facebook or Instagram or wherever you would like. If someone has not registered at this point, they're done.
They're done. They can register for the next election cycle, but if they didn't register by October the 9th, they're out of the game.
If they have not yet registered for their absentee ballot, can they still?
They can still request a vote by mail ballot by October 31st. You can still even support candidates by making a donation. As we are here at an event supporting Andrew Gillum, you can make a donation up to November the 2nd. So October the 31st, request your vote by mail ballot. You can do it online, email, you can call, you can do it by fax, you can send a letter. They'll send it to you in a few days. And once you do that, you pull out the ballot, you fill it out, fold it, put it in the sleeve.
Put your name on the outside, sign it, put the date, and seal it. Don't do like Khalid.
Then you can check online that like an express mail package.
Oh, I didn't know
that they have received it successfully.
Okay.
Right? And I do that electronically. I know when it left them to get to me. and I know when it left me to get to that,
Right.
it shouldn't take more than 2 days.
Well, I'm gonna walk with mine because I'm down the road from one of the election office there. I'm
We're
gonna
gonna run a supervisor of
supervise of
election.
election. I'm gonna walk over there and drop it off and say, excuse me, did I sign everything properly?
Right.
Because it kind of did freak me out when I saw the mail come the last time. But at least I know that it was being counted.
And just remember, you are going to be a part of history here in the state of Florida because it's less than 1% that separates the gubernatorial candidates in the last
I needed to
two
start
elections.
very loud and say
Less
again.
than 1%. President Barack Obama won by less than 1%, 2008 and 2012. Governor Rick Scott won by less than 1%. It was so small. The reason being, let me just explain that real quickly. Alex Sink, when she lost, paid attention to North Florida and forgot South Florida. When Charlie Crist lost, he paid attention to South Florida and did not pay attention to North Florida. Andrew Gillum is not going to be that.
I realize he's in every nook and cranny all over the
I don't know where he
place,
finds the
reaching
time.
out to.
I don't know where he finds the time.
all
So
over.
he's everywhere.
He's got the energizer.
His work ethic,
Pokemon.
his work ethic and his attitude is legendary, and it's going to pay off for him. And he just happens to be a good guy,
Yes.
and I think that he's showing a very steady. He's showing clarity of vision in my standpoint. Very cool, collected, and getting a cross section of the electorate inspired, and the numbers are going to show. I promise you.
And when I saw him in that debate and just listened to him speak, he was actually addressing, because he didn't have to hide behind Iraq and Iran and silly answers that didn't make sense. He spoke as an intelligent, intellectual person that I want to lead my state.
Yeah. And then, I want listeners that may lean in a different direction to ask questions, research, and check the guy out and see if he may align with you or not. You don't know. And check out all the other candidates as well. If you need any ballot recommendations, please send us an email.
Yes. Or just
Recommendations, not.
Yeah,
go to
definitely.
islandoriginsmag.com. All of the recommendations for us are there. We have links to our friends at SFLC and their recommendations because they have the 3 different counties. Whatever you need, we're happy to help and get involved, and they're going to count towards my 5.
And then after you're done, yes, after you're done, you get 5. We're asking each person to get 5 friends or family friends to take care of, and then have those 5 people go ahead and take care of another 5. Get 5 for Gillum.
5 for Gillum.
Five
Amen.
for Gillum.
Is
I'm
that a
not-
hashtag? Hashtag 5 for Gillum.
Hashtag get 5
Get
for Gillum.
5 for
Five for
Gillum.
Gillum.
All right, sounds good.
Like it?
I like it.
Like it.
All right, we've done it. 5 for Gillum.
And it's 5 p.m. It's signifying the 5. It's important. 5 p.m. 5 for Gillum.
So let's
Get
make sure
five.
that everybody at this event has a copy of Island Origins magazine with our guy on the back of it. And if you have yours out in public, just walk around with it like this because we're all a billboard for the cause, right?
Yeah, and we see you very clearly. You're not just 5 or 10 people that are listening to this right now. It's hundreds.
No, it is.
And your voice is very, very important. We want you to really have a say in this election. And if you live in Maryland or Georgia or any of the other states as well,
Call a friend.
we want you to call a friend
Call a friend.
and get involved. If you need help, just say, I want to vote. I really don't know the process. And in fact, I've never voted. Call us for help. We'll get you there. You can count in part of
It's got
it.
each
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Your 5
Hashtag
is
me.
50 soon.
Hashtag
Excellent.
me. Thank you, Marlon.
Thank you, Marlon, for being with us.
All right, we need to come back on another live. Hopefully, we'll have a stronger connection and we can make sure everything is
It lasts
in
until the
place.
end.
We went to
It's
this
still going, yeah.
All
Thanks for
right.
having me.
Yeah, man. Next time.
Bye.
5.